All right, guys, I'm just coming back here looking at SPRE. Actually had a nice little pop. Wouldn't be surprised if we saw more from this one. 5 minutes looking really good. Missed my fill. Watching it here, looking for that last pop. A bit of an early entry on the last one. It's gonna need a little bit more of a pop. Still trying. So annoying. Getting ready to close. Should have been a green trade. Should have been a green trade. Morning traders, welcome back. So DRUG, I'm up 765 on this one, and it was really the ticker I was in the flow with. Unlike our other one, SPRC, that you guys saw a second ago. That was just a disaster ticker. I could not get into any flow state on that one. I think my mistake on drug was maybe I just ended a little bit too soon here. I was throwing in the towel, and then I was watching here, and then since I kind of was done in my mind, I hesitated and I missed this really, really nice pullback here. But after we broke the 90 EMA this significantly, I knew it was done and I stopped looking at it. And you know, technically you could still trade some of these backside bounces, but if I want to make more, I don't need to trade more. I just need to trade with bigger size. And that's why I don't really feel bad about missing this. I did size down here, which I felt like was okay. I got some really, really nice consistent moves here, although I missed some really good pops. Where was like that best move that I missed? I think it was this one right here. It was a really nice pullback that I just totally snoozed on because I was looking at something else. But, you know, ultimately with a ticker like DRUG, I just constantly had these nice wins. And I was sizing up a bit. You know, I did like 4,000 shares, quite a lot, where I was using, you know, like $8,000, which is okay. But I think, you know, if I really wanted to do this better job on this one, I would have had to do like $15,000, $20,000 here. And then I think sizing down here would have been the right idea, because at this point, I felt a little bit more risky and I felt like it was easier to give back profit. So I think, you know, obviously, you know, sizing down here was the right idea. I just feel like net general, it could have been a bigger size day, but that's fine. You know, we're still in pretty much dead summer, and I'm not too worried about it. I know there's going to be some good momentum coming up at one point anyway, and the more comfortable I get, the more confident I get, you know, the more I'll be ready for it. So it's not like something I'm you know, really regretting that I'm not, you know, milking every day as much as I can. I want to be ready for it and want to be confident, want to be relaxed, study as much as possible, watch my replays. But at the same time, I don't need to, you know, max out my size right now on a little bit lighter volume, because originally we actually had some really light volume on, like, a, you know, this stock was $1.80. That's very light volume. But we had some nice breakouts, you know. Look at this, just really solid 5-minute breakout here. We had a good 1-minute pullback, and then we just, you know, ripped 15%. So really good opportunity to make money. I actually ended up losing money first on this one, and then I made back a little bit more. Missed this pullback, but then I made a little bit more here. I think at this point I was up like 300. I nailed this move right here, which was nice, but I actually sold again way too soon. But yeah, just a lot of secure little base hits, and I think that's what was nice. So just keep doing that. And today I'm up in total 902. So I made back some of my losses on SPRC, which was pretty nice. SPRC. If we go to this one really fast, let's see if my trades show up. This one was tricky. So this is the trade you guys saw in the intro, and so ridiculous. You know, I could have made a quick, 150 on this one, or 120 or something. So on a ticker like this, that's a little bit more sporadic, sometimes it's good to place these limit orders where you would like to sell. Sometimes you get these flash pops and then all of a sudden it dies right back down again. So this doji candle was a little ridiculous. So it was good that I cut my losses. And I think that may be a little bit insecure on how I traded this one. I traded it with tiny size. You know, look at this, 2,000 shares, 2,000 shares. So, I mean, the size was like a quarter of what I should be doing. But I just didn't feel that comfortable. And my goal was not to like go red to green on the ticker. My goal was to like, trade these decent little pullbacks here, which we were getting. So I did end up, getting back in the green on this ticker, but I never felt super comfortable, and that's why I stopped trading it and I didn't trade it here. Really, without a question, DRUG was the one where all my focus was, and I should have, sized more. But again, it's not really something that I'm dwelling on. It doesn't bother me. I mean, today overall was a really nice day. I'm up $902, decent profit margin, or like 78%, where I'm not giving back that much profit, good win ratio, and a really excellent risk reward ratio. So today was like a phenomenal day. The only thing, if I wanted to make more money, size up. It's that simple. And that's why, you don't want to just keep trading all day long, because then you're mentally you're more and more exhausted and you start making more mistakes. So that's not how you make more money. So today and yesterday were really smooth days, very consistent. I really like that. Monday was the day I was all over the place, up 580 almost, and then basically ending back for break even. So nice profit day. I think I'll just end it there. I'm pretty happy. Good luck anyone that keeps on trading. And it's Wednesday after all, first day back in Berlin after my little trip to South Germany. So no need to overdo it today. I'll see you guys then first thing tomorrow morning. Like always, stay safe and make some awesome trades, guys. Ciao, ciao.